Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss different text formatting tags in HTML. Here we have different text formatting tags in HTML. These text formatting tags are used to design our web page in a well formatted and attractive manner, which means arranging the text in attractive manner. Text formatting tags are used to arrange the text in an attractive manner. So text formatting tags are used to design our web page in a well formatted and attractive manner. Few of the text formatting tags are: number one, here we have B tag. B stands for bold. B stands for bold. That means this is bold tag. This bold tag is used to display the text in bold format. Next one, U tag. This is called as underline. This tag is used to display the text which is enclosed in between U tag opening and U tag closing in underline. Next one, I tag. I tag means italic tag. This tag is used to display the text in italic format. And we have SUP tag. This is also called as superscript tag. So whenever we want to display something like second class, that means 2 to the power of nd, or 2 square, 3 square, 5 to the power of n. So whenever you want to display something in the format of power, then we can use superscript. Next, SUB. This is called as subscript tag. By this, we can display the text in subscript format. For example, if you want to write anything like H2O, the water formula, then we can use subscript. Next one, BR. BR stands for break tag. Break tag is used to move your cursor to next line. Break tag is used to move your cursor to next line. That means it is used to display the information in the next line. Next one, here we have to keep one thing in our mind, that this BR tag doesn't consist closing. Next one, center tag. This tag is used to display the information at the center of the web page. This tag is used to, center tag is used to display the text in center of the web page. Pre tag. It is also called as pre-formatting tag. This tag is also called as pre-formatting tag. It is used to display the information without any formation or without any formatting. Let us check how all these tags will work in HTML. So here is our small program. This is the program which is used to check how this text formatting tags will work. Here, as usually, every HTML program will starts with HTML tag. Then after, this is head section or header section, in which I have given title as text formatting tags. In our previous class, we discussed that the title which is given in this title opening and title closing tags will be displayed in the web browser software in its title bar. And then this is the body tag. From here to here, this is called as body section, where actual design of the web page is displayed here, right? Coming to the text formatting tags, we have said that it consists of bold, underline, italic, pre, center, subscript and superscript. So here I have enclosed welcome to MVC Bongir in between B tag opening and B tag close. And then after, I have given a break here. Next, I have written welcome to MVC Bongir with U tag, that means underline opening, and underline closing, and then a break here. And next one, I tag opening, that means italic. In between this one, welcome to MVC Bongir is given, and then a break. Next, I have written something like hi, hello, how are you here, and then I used center tag to display welcome to Bongir, in between bold tag also. So let us check how this will works. Save this one file, save, give a name. So this is my third program. I am giving third.html. I am saving my file in my desktop of my computer. So this is my location. Then save, minimize your notepad, check your desktop here. Here it is third. Double click it on this one. You will find the output of your program. So let us open this notepad again. Keep aside. See here. Whatever the information which is enclosed in between B tag, that means bold, is displayed in bold format. This is displayed in bold format. Whatever the information which is written in between U tag is displayed with an underline. Whatever the information which is enclosed in between I tag, italic, is displayed in italic format. And then I have written something like hi, hello, how are you by entering next line, but it is displayed in a single line. Then I have given welcome to Bongir, MVC Bongir in center tag with bold. So it displayed the data in the center of the web page. So now I am going to make some changes here. That is PRE. I am using pre-formatting tag here. So let us check what will be the output. And please make an eye here. When we use it without pre-tag, this is your output. Okay, now I am saving this one, save. So when you are using without pre-tag, this is your output. What will be the output with pre-tag for hi, hello, how are you? When we refresh our web page, this is your, that means it will not uses any formatting tags whenever it is enclosed in between pre-tag. And also here I have used BR tag 3 times. After displaying welcome to MVC Bongir in bold format, I have used BR tag once, that means break. It gives break here, that means it displays the text in the next line. See here, it displays the text in the next line. Suppose if you are using 2 BRs, that means 2 BR tags, what will happen now? So save this one, come here, refresh. You got another line here. So like this you can display the web page. Now let us check how this superscript and subscript works. How this superscript and subscript works. Now I want to display H2O2. H2O2. That means first I will display H here. Then I want to display 2, which is subscript to H. So I will enclose this 2 in between sub tag opening and sub tag closing. Check what will be the output here. Refresh. Save this one. Refresh your program. See here. H2. H to the base 2. So if you want to display anything in the format of bases, then you can use subscript here. Now I'm going to display O here. Check what will happen. Save this one, come here, refresh. H2O. For the O, if you want to give any base like 2, then write the same thing, sub2 closing. Save this one, check your output, h2 o2. So I want to display like something like 2 to the power of x, then write 2 here. If you want to display something to the power of x, then use superscript. So which is enclosed in between sup tag will be displayed in the power of this 2. Check the output, save your program and refresh your program. See here, 2 to the power of x. Why it displayed beside this h2o2? Because I have not given any break now. So if you give any break after sup tag br, this will be your output, h2o2 into the power of x. Okay, next we will discuss few important tags in HTML. These are called as header levels. These are called as header levels. Header levels. Header levels mainly ranges from H1 to H6. Some web browser softwares will allow more than H6. These tags are used to display text in heading format. These tags are used to display text in heading format. It is mainly used to design heading of any web page or heading of any content. So here we are having h1 tag, h2 tag, h3 tag, h4 tag, h5 tag and h6 tags. So this is the syntax for using the h1 to h6 tags. So any text which is displayed or entered in between h1 opening tag and h1 closing tag will be given the biggest heading. h2 will be given the smallest heading than h1, and here h6 is the least size of heading. So let us check how these headings will work. Header levels. I am enclosing MVC bonger in between h1 opening and h1 closing, h2 opening and h2 closing, h3 opening and h4 closing, h5 opening and h6 closing. Let us check how this will. So this is my program. Let us check what is the output for this one. Save your program with HEAD, header level .html. Here is your program, header level .html. Double click on this one and this is your output. This is the h1 level, header level 1, the biggest header, and this is the next header level, that is h2 level, and this is next header level, that is h3, h4, h5 and h6. Some web browser softwares will allow more than h6. Before using more than h6 level of the header, check the compatibility of the web browser software. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. If you like our videos, please like, subscribe and share with your friends in different colleges. Thank you.